guys, it's Destiny with another video. Today I have a totally different video for you guys, but a lot of people have been asking me because they know that I'm not teaching at the school no more, and I was a full-time teacher for more than 10 years. Asking me questions about how am I get to stay home, what am I doing, and all of that. Today I'm gonna share with you guys probably six, but five majority of what I'm doing right now and how I'm getting my income to support myself, and I don't have to be struggling just by not being working at a company. So the first one that I want to share with you guys is Upwork. Upwork is an amazing company. It's like freelancing. So you do whatever you're good at, you know, if you're good at artists, if you are good at writing, if you're good at virtual assistant and stuff like that, they get paid up to $30 to $35 an hour, and I can guarantee you guys that it works. I did it myself. I've been doing it and it's been working. You can make money, so it's really good. You can download the application. I'm showing you on my phone real quick. I usually do it on my computer, but I just want to show you real quick what it is. So this is Upwork right here, and all you gotta do, you gotta sign in, and after that, after you sign in, that's it. You just go and put your information. You actually do what you gotta do, and from there they will give you, like, you know, information on stuff that you gotta do and stuff like that. So that's what it is. You gotta sign up, get the application. You could do it on your phone, you could do it on the computer, but Upwork lets you, they have tons of tons of ideas, and you can write proposals on it, or you can pay the membership. I think it's like $7 right now, and you get a range of varieties of stuff. You can watch the videos that they have, but again, they guarantee you to get paid up to $35 an hour. So imagine that. The way I do it, I'm a translator. That's what I do in Upwork. So as you know, I'm fluent in Spanish and English. So what I do, I translate from English to Spanish, and that's really easy. It took me like a week to get my first proposal the first time I did it, but then after that, they've been coming, and I can tell you that daily I probably have at least 3 to 4 hours, you know, of work daily, every day. So my goal is to make $100 per day in this website, and trust me, I've been doing it. So that will be $500. Sorry. So that will be already $500 a week, because I only do it 5 days. So that's $500 a week, right? And Upward. The second one, and I'm gonna put and for everything that I'm talking about, the link is going to be down below. So the second one, what I'm doing also is the Airbnb, and it's because we have a different house, a different apartment, which is empty because now Ashley used to live there. As you know, our middle daughter, and now she moved to Boston with her boyfriend. So we have 2 rooms empty right there. So we took one of them and we rented it for Airbnb, and that's pretty good. That makes us almost $2,000 a month. It's like between $1,800 and $1,900 a month. So I'm writing it down because I want to give you a number, you know, at the end. So I'm gonna put 1,900, and then we said 500 before, so that's 2,000. Okay. And it's really good. You don't have to hassle with the money. They have to pay you before you get. The website provides insurance and everything. If you have any problem, any trouble with any other person coming in and all of that, you just report it then, and they handle everything. Guys, no hassle at all. That's number 2. Number 3, Poshmark. Who doesn't know about Poshmark? We all know about it. So Poshmark, anything that you have in your house that you don't want or that you don't use, hey, put it to work. Create a Poshmark account and sell things from your closet. I got tons of things from my closet. I got a Poshmark account, and I'm gonna also put my link down below so you guys can go and check my closet. I got brand new things also from my store, from my boutique. I also put it there because they just opened up a Fisher, which is a boutique. So I have a bunch of stuff there. And guys, you can make a week at least $100 extra by selling stuff, you know, and it's really good. They give you they print the label for you. You just gotta print it at home, but they do the label for you. Shipping is covered, everything. All you gotta do is put the label on your package, drop it on the mail, and then that's it. But you're still working from home, you know, and you can make at least $100 per week. So that'll be another $400 per month. Okay, and I'm writing it down. And like I say, anything that you don't want, clothes, anything else, you could put it there. Before it was only for women. Now they have men's, kids. So anything that you don't want, your kids, your husband, put it to work. You know, don't donate it. Before I used to donate it, I used to donate a lot of bags of clothes. Some of them with the tag and all of that. And then I learned about Poshmark, and you know how much money I have made after that, about shoes and everything and all of that. Let me know if you guys want me to do a specific video about Poshmark and how I fix my closet and how I do everything out there, and I'll do it for you guys, okay? The third one that I'm doing, as you know, I have an educational background. WYZANT, that's a website also that you can, if you strong in any subject, you don't even have to have a teaching degree, but if you're strong in a subject, they're gonna give you a test, and from there you can pick. You can either go to their houses or you could do it online. If you go to their houses, it's $40 an hour, and if you do it online, it's between $20 and $30 an hour. And this is a tutoring company. I tutor math and Spanish for them, and again, daily, I have at least 3 clients every day. Every day. For just from this website right now, I'm making weekly between $600 and $700. So I'm just gonna put $600 a week, and that's what I'm making on that website. And again, you don't have to have an educational background. If you're strong in any subject and you think you can manage it, you could go into this website, register. They get, some of them require for you to take a test, some of them don't. You know, for the math one, I required to take a test, and for the Spanish one, I did take a test. But you could do it, and you could do it from home. You could do it on your own time. You could put the type of clients that you want. You could put everything out there. Everything out there, guys. So that's number 4. And again, all the links are gonna be down below. But guys, I'm making all of this money without leaving my house. And that's what I'm doing. The 5th one, you do need to have a college degree, at least a bachelor's degree. And this one, I don't have a specific website. However, I can leave the one that I work with. And I work for Colorado State University, and I'm a counselor for them. So what I do, I'm an admission counselor, and what I do whenever a client inquiry about the school, they send me the link, and I can contact that person, you know, information, send that information online, talk to them on the phone, explain about the college and all of that. And it's just really good, and it's a part-time work. So I put into this 20 hours a week, and this is good. They pay bi-weekly, and they pay, you know, they pay between, in the range, it's like $2,000 per semester. So, and their semesters is 6 weeks. So I'm making $2,000 every 6 weeks for this company. And again, this is Colorado State University. You can actually inquire about it. I'm gonna put that link there, but you can apply in any college. Any college now has the virtual program. Any college. So try to see if you can find information, any colleges that you're interested in and all of that, and actually put your knowledge and stuff to work. I do know for this one, you do need to have a bachelor's degree. You can also become an associate teacher for this universities also, and work it out like that. For bonus one, this one you do have to leave the house, but It's good money. This one is to become a minister. I don't know if you guys can see there, but this is my business card for minister. And it says justice of the peace, bringing family together. And what I do is I'm a wedding officiant. Anyone wants to get married and all of that, I do the ceremony for them. I write their speech, I write their bow if you want to. Depending on the type of ceremonies that they do, I can put the link down below. Where do I got ordained? Because I did it online. I did everything online, and then you just have to pay like $35, $40. But let me tell you guys, every wedding that I do is between $300 and $700. I try to book at least one wedding a month, and it's good. It pays one bill. You understand? So far right now, what I have with the math that I've been having right now, right here, I got $5,400. So that's basically what I'm making a month from home. All of this from home without leaving my house, except for the wedding officiant. But the wedding officiant, the good thing is that you meet with the client, you speak with the client, Skype, on the phone, and then one meeting in person, and then the second meeting is the day of the wedding. And guys, it only takes, if you've been in a wedding, 15 minutes. That's all we take for the speech. So if you're into that, I'm gonna put this down below too. But these are ways of making money from home. If you're a mom, if you're a student, if you in the process of, you know, wanting to switch career and stuff like that, these are things that you can look into it. And I'm so sorry, let me know if you want me to go into detail in any of these companies, and I will do a separate video for all of them. But I just wanted to do this quick video about what am I doing from home now, how much money we're making now. And you guys, you also know we just opened an online boutique. I'm gonna put the link down below too, where we make money there. Again, we just started it, but we're not desperate. We know it's gonna come with time. I also wrote my book this is my book, and it says Keys to Healthy Relationship for Couple, Steps to Happily Stay in Love. And this is by me. So this is my book that I personally wrote myself based on my experience married for 17 years and relationship past and all of that. The link is going to be down below also, and it's at Amazon. You can purchase from there. And you know what? That's making me money also. That's making revenue every month that I don't touch because I want to see it all together. But that's also making me money. So if you into writing, write about it, publish your book. Don't be afraid, don't be scared. It's very intimidating when you're working in a company and you have something secure. But I'm gonna end this video by saying this: if you don't work for your dreams, you're gonna be helping other people working for them to build their dreams. So I building mine and my family because they come first. So we sit down, me and Lena, we talk about everything that we're supposed to do. And I said, you know what, I'm staying home and this is what I'm going to do. And more projects that we have in mind. And that's it. Work for your dream. Work for you. You won't regret it. It'll be hard, but you won't regret it. And that's it. Until the next time, I'll see you in the next video. Comment, subscribe, share this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next time.